Hello, good morning students. Today we will start exercise 7.1 of your chapter number 7 triangle. So the first question is in quadrilateral ACBD. So what is the quadrilateral? A closed polygon having four sides. In quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equal to AD. It is given. So check here, ACBD is a given quadrilateral in which this AC side is equal to which side? AD. This is the first part. And AB bisect angle A. So what is the meaning of bisect? So bisect means it divides the angle into two equal parts. So this AB side bisects the angle. Which one? This angle A. So the two parts are angle CAB, this one, and angle DAB, this one. These are also equal because AB bisect angle A. Show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. We have to show that this triangle ABC, this one, and triangle ABD, this one. These both triangles are congruent. So this is the first part, and the second is what can you say about BC and BD? After that, we have to check BC and there is what relation between BC and BD. So let's start the question. So first is we have to show that the triangles are congruent. So you can write in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. You can take these two triangles ABC and triangle ABD. So the first part which is equal, this in triangle ABC side AC and in triangle ABD side AD. This is equal because it is given in the question. So you can write division here given. The second is this AB side bisects the angle A. That's why angle CAB is equal to angle DAB. So you can write here angle CAB equal to angle DAB. So what is the reason? AB bisect angle A. This is the second. The third one is you check here in both these triangles this AB side is common. This AB side is common. So you can write AB is equal to AB because AB side is the common side of both triangle ABC and ABD. This AB side is the common of this both triangles. So we can write here common. Now you can check here there are two sides which is equal and one angle. So which criteria use? You can write here SAS congruence rule. By SAS congruence rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. Alright, now next, what can you say about BC and BD? You check here, BC is the part of this triangle ACB and this BD is the part of triangle ABD. So you can write here also BC equal to BD. What is the reason? CPCT. By CPCT. So what is CPCT? It is the congruent part of the congruent triangle. When you can prove the triangle congruent, so then you can take any two of its parts equal, whether it is a sides or it is a angle. So this is your first question of exercise 7.1. Now see the question number second of exercise 7.1. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. So again question says there is a quadrilateral given and its name is ABCD in which two sides are equal, AD and BC. This AD side and this BC side. It is given equal. And the next is angle. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Angle DAB, this one. DAB, this one. And angle CBA, this one. This angle is also equal given. We have to prove its three parts. In the first part, we have to prove the triangle congruent. The triangle ABD, this one. And triangle BAC, this one. We have to prove this triangle congruent. And in the second part, we have to prove sides equal BD and AC. This BD side, BD and AC, diagonal of this quadrilateral. And the third is angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. This one. Clear? So the triangle which we have to prove congruent. So you can draw the triangle separately. उसी triangle को separately draw कर लो. the triangle ABD, this one ABD, this is triangle ABD, and the second triangle is BAC, BAC. Clear? We have to prove these both triangle congruent. Triangle ABD, and triangle BAC, So you can prove first part in triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Which is the first part? You can check here. AD is equal to BC. In triangle ABD, this triangle side AD, and in this triangle side which one? BC. It is given equal. AD is equal to BC. Reason given. This is the first part. The second part is, you can check here angle. This angle BAD, this is BAD, or you can write DAB, and in second triangle angle CBA. This angle is equal to this one. This is the second part. Angle BAD and angle CBA. Angle BAD, angle CBA. You can also write here given. Okay? The next third part is which one? You can check here AB side and AB side. It is common in both this triangle. This third side AB and this is AB. This is common in both this triangle. So write here AB equal to AB. Reason common. Now you can check that there are again two sides and one angle. So which criterion we use here? Again SAS. So from SAS congruence rule, triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. So this both triangles are congruent. Now BD is equal to AC. You can check here in the first triangle this side BD, and in the second triangle this side AC. This is also equal. What is the reason? By CPCT. Because when we have to prove the triangle congruent, you can take any two of its part equal. So the second one is BD equal to AC. What is the reason? By CPCT. Because उसे triangles में congruent कर चुके हैं. अगर triangles congruent कर चुके हैं तो check करो कि इधर है BD, वो है this triangle का part, and AC is the part of this triangle ABC. That's why it is equal. Reason is by CPCT. And the third is this one. Third is angle ABD. ABD. This angle, and here BAC. This angle. So angle ABD is the part of this triangle ABD, and angle BAC is the part of triangle ABC. It is also equal because we have to prove it congruent. क्योंकि से लोग congruent कर चुके हैं. ठीक है? So you can write here angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. So result is here what? By CPCT. So this is your question number 2 of exercise 7.1.